Looking for the best digital piano? In this video, we'll break down the top digital pianos available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best digital pianos on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the CASIO PX870 digital piano. The CASIO PX870 digital piano comes with numerous significant improvements. Besides its redesigning of the cabinet, it features a new sound projection system and touch-sensitive response. The two important aspects of a piano are sound and touch. It features a tri-sensor scaled hammer action keyboard that helps the system with triple sensor detection technology for note repetition and expressiveness. The touch has 88 full-size keys. For a nice textured feel, the keys have an ivory and ebony finish. Its surface also helps it absorb moisture from your fingers, enhancing control. The piano's sound is incredible because it features a 4-speaker sound projection system sampled from a 9-foot concert. It also has sustained pedal and power, so one can play anything on a regular piano. Additionally, the piano's lid allows open and use it to change the tone manually. Perhaps the highlight of PX870's features is the concert play mode. In this mode, you can play up to 10 different tunes with real recordings of a symphony orchestra. You can practice them in pieces before playing along with the orchestra. The PX870 has a metronome, transpose, dual modes, and recording capabilities, among other features that make it one of the best. During the performance, one can record the actual sound and share it. At number 2, we have the Yamaha YDP-143 digital piano. Yamaha, for quite some time, has been a popular manufacturer of budget-friendly digital pianos. The company's YDP line features affordable console pianos with realistic piano playing experience. This is perhaps the reason behind their surge in demand. The Yamaha YDP-143 primarily targets intermediate piano players looking to improve their playing experience. First things first, it comes with 3 pedals and a cabinet. Besides having the heaviest digital piano compared to others on this list, it is slightly deeper. Like other Yamaha products, this model comes with Yamaha's fully weighted action, equipped with 88 full-size touch-sensitive play keys. These GHS keys provide a realistic feel, with a heavier lower range touch and lighter upper range touch. The piano's white keys have shiny key tops, as the black have a black matte finish, which makes them less slippery. Similar to other top models, the Yamaha YDP-143 digital piano is equipped with pure CF sound engine that provides 3 varying piano tones. This is possible thanks to its high-quality 192-note polyphony with Yamaha's latest sound optimization technology. This provides rich and realistic sound production for both headphones and onboard speakers. As for the features, there is nothing to complain about the Yamaha YDP-143. Its metronome, duet functionality, layering mode, 2-track recorder, and lesson functionality with 50 preset songs make it easy to practice independently. Being a modern piano, you can connect the piano to your computer or iPad via the USB port. When connected, you can use it as a MIDI controller, allowing the use of various learning and music-making apps. You can also load a maximum of 10 songs and use them as preset songs. At number 3, we have the KORG C1 Air Digital Piano. Despite being quite high in terms of price, the KORG C1 Air Digital Piano has all it takes to make an excellent piano to put your hands in. Its Japanese assembly and finish give the instrument its excellent build quality and reliability. KORG C1 Air Digital Piano features high-end keyboard action equivalent to the real weighted hammer action. As a result, this makes the piano play lighter than the Yamaha and CASIO, but super smooth and responsive. This digital piano shines when it comes to its sound. Its exceptional 50-watt speaker ascertains the piano's big sound, sampled from Japanese and German grand pianos. Users experience a recreated damper resonance with a key-off simulation that adds to the intrigue playing experience. Compared to other models in our list, this piano might have the least features. However, its great Bluetooth connectivity expands its capabilities. If you are looking for a well-balanced digital piano, the KORG C1 is a great choice. At number 4, we have the ROLAND RP102 digital piano. This is yet another worthwhile newly released digital piano worth inclusion in our list. Before this, ROLAND didn't have a digital piano at this price range, except for the FP30. This makes this model a favorite for beginner and intermediate players. This model is nearly identical to the FP30 except for the cabinet, 3 pedals, and several preset songs. Despite the fact that this model doesn't offer much bells and whistles, it does an excellent job recreating the sound with an acoustic feeling. That's why it is considered to be the best affordable digital piano. As for the touch, the ROLAND RP102 digital piano comes with a PHA-4 standard keyboard with ivory feel keys and escapement mechanism. This is the latest of ROLAND's hammer actions, which are less noisy and more realistic compared to the previous models. The triple sensor detection system provides for enhanced, accurate sensing of key repetition and better expression. On the other hand, the escapement mechanism allows for a simulated clicking sensation at the end of a keystroke. Ivory textured keys increase key control and absorb moisture from the player's fingers. Roland RP102 digital piano uses a supernatural modeling technology that delivers a full and rich piano sound with seamless dynamics. Furthermore, it combines the sympathetic string resonance present in old models, delivering medium bright and metallic sound. The piano provides both USB and Bluetooth connectivity. In addition, you can connect through the Piano Partner app to Android and iOS devices to get access to all functions and songs. That makes it one of the best digital pianos today. And for our final pick at number 5, we have the KORG LP380 digital piano. The KORG LP380 digital piano is yet another KORG piano with an overwhelming presence in the market, primarily due to its compact and affordable nature. Maybe it's not the best digital piano on the market, but it is a worthy piano for music enthusiasts on a limited budget. To begin, the piano comes with an RH3 keyboard, similar to the C1 model keyboard. It also comes with PCM sound engine, with 120-note polyphony and 30 built-in sounds. This model, just like the C1, is produced in Japan. This means that you will get exceptional Japanese quality at an affordable price. There are 30 built-in songs encompassing 20 piano songs and 10 demos. You can play back and play along with the songs, but can't turn off the tracks or change the sound. Connectivity is something the KORG LP380 digital piano isn't good at. This is because it lacks USB and Bluetooth support. However, there are MIDI in and out ports that allow users to exchange MIDI data with your computer. So that sums up our top digital pianos of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.